Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to claim your daily rewards for the Butterbear Island Adventure event in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, the Butterbear event has been released in Heartopia, and basically you can play the event right here. It's like the Monopoly guys. You can roll the dice and you will arrive or you will land on some spaces, and then I would like to show you guys how you can claim your daily rewards for this event. You can go to the exchange store and you will see this icon right here. It means the daily rewards that you can claim, and it will be random for every day guys. Sometimes it can be the double cookies buff, and then the what is that, this one, remote control dice. So it will be random, and I'm going to claim it for today, and let's see what we get. Okay, I got this item, remote control dice. So we can choose the number of the dice like this. So before you roll the dice, you can click on this option, and then you can choose the dice number, and using this item will consume 1 dice. It's very useful guys. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim your daily rewards for the Butterbear Island Adventure event in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!